Hey folks, this is Mike Zlatnik, and I'm joined here by Jeff from Ridgeline, Deanna, and Ryan from Temple. And we're really excited about this new opportunity, Texas medical portfolio.
We're buying these for $314 a foot. So there's that significant, about 40% discount to replacement cost.
It's 100% leased and it's targeted for an early sale. You want to talk about that in more detail?
Yeah, I mean, because of the discounted portfolio purchase, Conroe, it's a 2-tenant, high acuity, the ER, ambulatory surgery center. Both are doing extremely well operationally and financially. It's the WALT, weighted average lease term on the rent roll is 9.3 years. You have contractual rent escalations in the leases. It sits right on Interstate 45, the major interstate between Houston and Dallas. Great visibility, nice construction, great tenants, credit. So it's really, there's really not much else to do there, but because of the portfolio purchase, we're going in at like a 7.75% cap rate. And again, part of my exercise I mentioned earlier where I asked a broker to give me their thoughts on value, thought it would be kind of a 6.25 to 6.75 kind of a range on that. It sold to 6.5 cap rate. If he sold it, took it to market through a broad marketing process and sold it. And so that leaves about 125 basis points there. Really a value of arbitrage.
Commitments due August 21st, 2026. Reach out to Tempo's team if you want to see more. Watch the full episode in our channel.